This will be your spacious living and dining area. You can see the kitchen is very spacious. We have a largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Emerald by GC located in Kharghar. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And to my left and right is the actual land parcel where the towers are getting constructed. This is the actual road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2.13 acres with 2 towers having G plus 40 stories consisting of 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Talking about the amenities, this project has many amenities like swimming pool, clubhouse, banquet hall, mini theatre, party lawn, jogging track, barbecue gazebo, skating ground, basketball court, kids play area and many more. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Sector 27, Ranjanpara, Kharghar. From where Kharghar railway station is only 10 minutes drive, we have 2 metro stations. First, Central Park metro station at a distance of 800 meters and Petpara metro station at a distance of 800 meters. We also have Navi Mumbai airport at a distance of 30 minutes drive from the project. To know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. Outside the 3 BHK of Project Emerald, this 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1050 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, first you'll get this foyer area where you can place your shoe closets, and as you can see, the foyer area is designed in such a way that you will get full privacy for your whole apartment. This will be your spacious living and dining area. You can place 2 side sofas, center tables and customize your luxury large TV unit in the living. Also, you will get full French windows with a very spacious balcony in the living. You can place your swings, tea tables, tea chairs in the balcony and enjoy tea time with your family. In this corner, we have a dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table, and as you can see, you have plenty of walkable space in the living and dining after placing all the needful things. And this is a kitchen that is very spacious. You will get 2 parallel platforms in the kitchen. One will be full platform and one will be half platform with the sink. You can see the kitchen is very spacious. You have plenty of walkable space even if you open the units in the lower cabinets. You can customize your lower and your upper cabinets. You will also get half French windows with a glass facade in the kitchen for ventilation and for great view. In this corner, you can place your refrigerator. And now moving forward, this will be your alley area to all your bedrooms, and in this corner you will get wash basin with half platform, and in the half of the space you can place your washing machine. First, over here we have a common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can make this your kids' bedroom, your study area, or you can customize it by your choice. Even after placing the beds and the wardrobe in the corner, you can see you have plenty of walkable space. You will get full French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. Opposite to the common bedroom, we have a common washroom that is very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Over here, we have a first master bedroom that is very spacious. You can place your beds, side tables and customize your TV unit. You can also customize your study corner if you want, and this will be your wardrobe space that is also very spacious and tall enough if you want to build lofts. Over here, we have the attached washroom that is very spacious and comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. You will also get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And before moving forward, I would like to tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. And then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the larger master bedroom of this 3 BHK. Over here, we have a largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK that is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed, your side tables, customize your TV unit, and you still have space in this corner if you want to customize your study area or want to place sofas and make this your seating corner. You will also get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom. Over here, we have a washroom that is very spacious and it comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. This will be your wardrobe corner that you can customize by your choice and you can also build lofts. This was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Project Emerald. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Emerald by GC located in Kharghar.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.